So, we all use search engines in our everyday work, and companies like Google make a lot of money off of our data and advertising. So, shouldn't we be rewarded just a little bit for all that we do for them? Well, Microsoft believes that we should, which is why their search engine, Bing, actually provides users with rewards. In this video, I'm going to explain how I use my Bing rewards, and I'm going to explain how you can get set up to start earning rewards immediately. Okay, so this is the Bing search screen. It's just bing.com, and I love that Microsoft provides beautiful pictures that you can even learn more about. Now, in order to sign up for rewards, you can actually just do a search for Bing rewards. I've already done that. Brings you to this microsoft.com/rewards. Let's go ahead and click on that. It'll take you to a screen, and I was calling this search rewards or Bing rewards in the introduction, but it's actually just called Microsoft rewards, and they do give you rewards for purchasing things through the Microsoft Store and so forth, but I'm specifically just wanting to focus on the search to earn. You can click more and learn about it on your own time. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to show you some of the really cool things about it. So one thing you can do is install a rewards widget in your browser. And I am using the new Microsoft Chromium browser. It's actually built off the same platform, I believe, that Chrome is built off of. So it's super user friendly now. I was a big fan of Microsoft Edge, but the fact that it's built on Chromium now is cool as well. But the point is that you get points by using their browser. Okay, the other thing that you can do once you're signed in is you will see the rewards icon in the top. So you do have to have a Microsoft account, obviously, but you can click on this and it'll show you these daily challenges. And if you do or complete these daily challenges, you earn additional points. So you can see that there's 10 points here, 10 points there. Sometimes they're 50 points, sometimes it's 100 points. It just varies depending on the challenge, and you can do this daily. You can also keep track of searches. You're earning points through the search browser. You can see I've already earned 15 out of 20 points today. There's mobile search that you earn points on. This is one area that I don't do a ton of point gathering off of because I don't use my smartphone that often. And then you can also earn just from desktop activity. So let's go ahead and click on this just to take us to another screen. Okay, so on this screen you can see that there is the same daily set information that was on the other screen, and you would complete these daily activities in order to have streaks. If you have a 10-day streak, then you get 150 bonus points. The worst thing is when you're on a streak and then forget to complete the daily challenge and lose your streak bonus thing. I don't know, just when you're on 45 days and then get set back to 0, it's so disappointing. You will see that I've already completed challenges. You can see your historic challenges. If you don't complete a daily set and you lose the streak, they will show up down here though, and you can still complete the challenges. As you can see, you can give with Bing and so on. You can even, get rewards, purchase items, like I said, gift cards. You can play games or other challenges to see if you win extra points and so on. So it's kind of fun just to kind of poke around with. You can see that I've earned over the life of my account 295,000 points. I'm on the 45-day streak, and you can earn so many points, but you can see I'm way down from what the potential is just because I'm not doing all of the things that would earn points. But you can see here, let's go ahead and just complete one of the challenges to see what it looks like. So basically that's all I had to do was click on that, and if I close that screen now, you will see that it is checked off. Then I can test my smarts. These are usually challenges about what's happened in the news, so this is a great way to earn points. And finally, you can take a poll and see what other people are thinking and which Impressionist painter works do you like more. I'm gonna go with Van Gogh myself. Let's see. Yeah, that's the way most others are choosing. But in any case, then you can stick around and you can learn more about things you didn't know about. So just a really cool tool. So there you are. That's how you earn points. And if you're doing any kind of professional work, you're going to be searching a lot. So you might as well be rewarded for that. I use these in order to give rewards or prizes to students. So for example, as an advisor of a student organization, if one of my executives does a really good job on something or has done a lot of extra work, I will reward them with a $5 or $10 gift card of some kind, usually asking them what they prefer. Most of them choose Starbucks. So all I need to do is convert my points into gift cards. Now, how this works is as you're searching on Bing, you're accumulating points. You also get points for certain activities, and there's a lot of points you can earn, and probably if you did everything that Bing offers, you could get the equivalent of about $200 or so in gift cards over the year. I probably get anywhere between $100 to $120 based on how I use Bing. But these are valuable because if I'm doing a class activity and want to reward a high achieving student, or I want to set up some gamification and put more on the line than points, I could say the winner is going to get a gift card, then I'm not paying out of pocket for those. If you don't want to use the rewards points for things like gift cards, they actually have it set up so you can donate to your favorite charity. So it's a win-win all around, in my opinion. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.